Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, in previous video we have studied on the chapter 7 introduction to PowerPoint. In that chapter I have explained you about the PowerPoint, that is what is PowerPoint, and then how to start the MS PowerPoint window. After that we have discussed about the components of PowerPoint also. So before that, see here, what is PowerPoint? A PowerPoint is a presentation that consists of many pages. Okay? It's called slides. Slides contains information in the form of text, image, sound and videos. When these slides are shown on after another in a series, it is called a slideshow of the presentation. You know, PowerPoint was developed by a company called Forethought. Forethought was later bought by another company that is called Microsoft. So PowerPoint is also a part of Microsoft Office package. Okay. So in previous video I have already introduced you with the PowerPoint. Now today I am going to teach you about the components of MS PowerPoint. Components of MS PowerPoints. In this you can able to see the first one is title bar. The first one is title bar. See here, this is the title bar. After that title bar, then tabs, then quick access toolbar, then ribbon, then slide tab, outline tab, then slides, slides pane, placeholder, status bar. All these are the components of MS PowerPoint. So one by one we will go through each and every topics. Let's start from the title bar. Let's start from the title bar. The first one is what? Title bar. So see here, title bar is located at the top of the PowerPoint window. You can able to see title bar is located at the top of the PowerPoint window. It displays the name of the file and the name of the programs. Title bar displays the name of the files and programs. File and program. Okay students? So it also contains the quick access toolbars. In title bar we have quick access toolbar. We have quick access toolbar. Okay? Or it is on the left of the PowerPoint window. It is on the left of the PowerPoint window. The quick access toolbar contains icons for frequently used commands. We have some frequently used command which can be contained by the quick access toolbar. For example, that is undo and redo commands and so on. All some like this, some commands are present on quick access toolbar. See here, this is given here. Quick access toolbar commands are there. So next is ribbon. Next is what? Ribbon. In ribbon, the ribbon figure 7.4 is located below the title bar. The ribbon figure is located below the title bar. It contains many tabs. See here, this is the ribbon. See here also, can you able to see? This is the ribbon which is located below the title bar. It contains many tabs. Here we have many tabs. Okay. It contains many tabs. Click on tab to open it. It has many tabs. If you want to open any tab, just click on a tab. Click on it. Click on the tab. You can able to open that tab. For example, we have here first one is what? See here, this is file tab. First one is what? File tab. In file tab, see here, the file tab is located on the left side of the ribbon. The file tab is located on the left side of the ribbon. When you click on the file tab, whenever we are clicking on the file tab, you see the backstage view. Whenever we are clicking on the file tab, we can able to see the backstage view. These are the what? This is the backstage view. When you will click on the file tab, we can able to see the backstage view. This is the place where you find options for creating, saving, printing files and so on. This is the place where we can having some options like open, save, create, print and close and so on. Like that we have many options. With the help of that option we can complete our presentation. Then let's come to that is slide pen. Slide pen. See here, this is slide pen. The slide pen is located on the left side of the PowerPoint window. Slide pen is located on the, see here, slide pen is located on the left side of the PowerPoint window. This is the slide pen. It has two tabs. Slide pen has two tabs, that is slide tabs and outline tabs. Slide tabs and outline tabs. All the slides are displayed in a small view in the slide tab. Means whatever the views are there in our screen, each and every here, this is the slides. So it displays a small view on a slide tab. You can click on the slide numbers in the slide tab to view the slides. If you want to view any slides, you can just click on that slides and it can be viewed the slide. After that, outline tab. Outline tab shows only the text written in a slide. Outline tab shows the text only written in a slide. Means whatever the text we have written in a slide, it shows in a slide. It shows in a slide. You can directly edit the text from here. इस place से हम directly हमारे slides में कुछ edit करना चाहते हैं. If you want to edit something, you can directly edit from here. Okay. Then come to the next, that is slide. Next is slide. So this is the slide. Okay. See here, this is the slide. This is our slide. A slide is a single page in a presentation. The slide is what? It is a single page in a presentation. Each slide contains the information you want to present. Means whatever the information you want to present, each and every information must be contained on a particular slides. Contained on a particular slides. So the information may be in the form of, there is a various information. It may be in the form of text, images, then chart, audio and video. It may be in the form of text, images, chart, audio and video. So all these are the information which can be present on a slide. Next is placeholder. Next is what? Placeholder. See here, this is the placeholder. A placeholder is a box with dotted borders. So here we have, this is the slide. In this slide we have a placeholder. Okay, this is a placeholder with dotted borders present on the slides. You can place text and pictures inside the placeholder. Means whatever the text or pictures you want to insert, you can insert in this placeholder. Inside the placeholder we can insert our text or pictures. Okay. The next is status bar. Next is what? Status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the PowerPoint window. The status bar is located on the bottom of the PowerPoint window. See here, this is the status bar which is located on the bottom of the PowerPoint window. It displays the slide numbers and total numbers of slides. Here we can able to see the slide numbers and total numbers of slides. Even it contains 4 view buttons. Even it contains here it is the 4 view buttons, and each button changes the view of a slide, and each and every button have different jobs and they are doing their jobs in different ways. Each and every buttons can change the views of a slide by their instructions. Let's just go through, we will go through on these 4 views of a slide view buttons. First one is normal view. First one is what? Normal view. It allows you to see a slide in the slides pane. Normal view is, what is the job of normal view? Normal view always help us to see a slide in the slide pane. Means at present time, whatever the slide is open, the next slide is just shown on a slide pane in a small view. Next is slide sorter view. Next is what? Slide sorter view. It allows you to see all the slides in a series of rows. You can rearrange the sequence of slides in this view. Slide sorter view help us to see all the slides in a series of rows. Means one by one, in a number, we can able to see all the slide sorter views. Even you can rearrange it in a sequence manner. If you want to rearrange it, you can rearrange it in a sequence manner. Third is reading view. Reading view allows you to view the slide as a slideshow within the MS PowerPoint window. Within the MS PowerPoint window. Reading views help us to view the slides as a slideshow within the PowerPoint. Means in between the MS PowerPoint window, we can able to view the slides as a slideshow. Next is slide sorter view. It allows you to see the slides in full screen without MS PowerPoint. Slide sorter views cover the whole screen of a it shows the full view. It covers the whole screen without MS PowerPoint window and shows the whole screen view to us. The status bar also contain a zoom slider. The status bar also contain a zoom slider. See here, this is the zoom slider. Just drag the slider to zoom in closer. If you are dragging the slider, this is here, some symbols are given. See here, this is this and this. By dragging this, with the help of this dragging, see here, I will show you. With the help of this dragger, we can zoom in or zoom out the slide. Means with zoom in means we can closer, we can enlarge the slides, and zoom in means we can reduce the view size of a slide. You can also click on the zoom in and zoom out button. Except this slider, zoom slider, we can also use the zoom in and zoom out buttons. With the help of zoom in and zoom out button also, we can, by the zoom in, we can enlarge the slide views, and with the help of zoom out, we can reduce the slide view. So by this, students, we have completed our explanation related to the components of MS PowerPoint. In next video, I will continue the remaining topics. So by this, thank you for listening me, and just go through on it. Be concentrated on your study and stay home safely. Bye.